Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to delete an Instagram account permanently. It's quite a simple and easy process. So if you want to delete or deactivate your account, this is the video you want to look out for. So what you have to do, first come to your profile. Once you're here, click on the top right corner to go into the hamburger menu. Once you're here, you can click on the first option, which is the accounts center. After this, you can scroll down and see an option where it says personal details. It's this one right here. Just click on that and then you can go ahead and click on the third option, which is account ownership and control. Once you click there, you can see that there is an option where you can deactivate or delete your account. Deactivation is temporary, deletion is permanent, so make sure you know the difference before you do anything. Once you're sure of the process, just select the account that you want to delete. Once you've selected that, you can go ahead and select the delete account option, click on continue, and you can state a reason and click on continue again. After this, it will give you a warning. And after all of this is done, you can download some info if you want to recover it later. But if you just want to go ahead and delete the account, click on continue again. Yeah, once you put in the password and click on continue, your account will get deleted. You get a 1 month period to retrieve it, but after you cross that 1 month period, it will get deleted permanently. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to delete an Instagram account permanently. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.